Okay guys, so let's try on all the cosmetics now. First, we have to try on the bundle. This kind of interesting bundle. It's a dragon. I'm not really a big fan of this bundle. I kind of look goofy. I don't know about this. It's for a princess. Here's the free badge. It's right here. I kind of like it. It's not that bad. This is actually kind of cool. You could swing it around. I think this is kind of cool. I don't know what to call this, but it has armpit hair, which I think is pretty interesting. This is probably one of my favorite cosmetics so far in this update. I think this is supposed to be a floaty. If you could actually float in the water, that would be actually awesome. Probably my favorite one, the crossbow. This actually outbeats the cone now. That's actually cool. This is actually kind of cool cosmetic. I like this. Pretty cool. So, this is for knights. It's pretty plain. Forgot what these things are called. It doesn't look that horrible, but I don't like it. I'm definitely not getting it. Okay. So, this is a shield. I don't really like it. Here's the sword. I kind of like it. I kind of like how it's wooden instead of what's it called, metal. I think this is a kind of cool cosmetic. Okay guys, last cosmetic to test out. I don't know how to control this. Don't fall, please. Here it is, guys. Okay, guys. Kind of reminds me of a museum because how this looks. Oh wow, this is cool. Kind of reminds me of a train station or like an airport. Nice scoreless door. I kind of like this. And now the monkey blocks. Now. Oh my god. Insane. Okay guys, so I want to build, and I just noticed this, guys, that you could put stuff on your arms, so you could build stuff on your arms, which I really like that they did that. So you could just add on stuff, which I think is pretty cool. I like that. This is where you could save your buildings and structures, which I think is pretty cool that they did that. Because in the first one, you couldn't. And that was just a waste of time. So I really like that they did that. So let's get small and see what it looks like. Oh my god. That's actually huge. This is actually insane. I did not build anything yet. But I'm going to build something and show you guys. So I guess I'm going to build right now and show you the building that I made. Okay guys, so I just finished my building. It's over there. It's very small. Anyways, I'm going to get small and try that tiny house. I feel like it was a lot more bigger. Also, the cool thing is you could do that. I kind of feel like I'm in Minecraft. Holy crap. That's actually big. This is actually kind of crazy. I'm glad that Monkey Blocks came back. Okay guys, so I guess that's it for today's video. But my question is, what is the attic going to be? What is this going to be since Monkey Blocks is now over there? What is this going to be? Like, what is that going to be? What is the attic going to be? But anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video and made it to the end, thank you. It means a lot. But yeah, I guess that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys.